Gilmerton Cove is a series of underground passageways and chambers, hand-carved from sandstone, located beneath the streets of Gilmerton, an ex-mining village. Edinburgh City Council began to develop the site in 1998 after buying it for £1. The attraction opened as a heritage centre after a £100,000 restoration project. The cove opened in 2003, as an educational resource for the public, as well as a place to visit. How old these are is unknown, but records go as far back as the 18th century, and the structure appears to be very much older. There are many theories about the origins of the cove, and its purpose. The caves were occupied by George Paterson, a local blacksmith from 1724 until around 1735. Records show that he was reprimanded for allowing alcohol to be consumed within the cove. But archaeologists say the network could not have been dug by one man. More chambers have also been uncovered during the research project. Experts have long been puzzled by the origins of the underground passageways and chambers, which include stone benches, tables, and even a small chapel. They may have been a meeting place for the Covenanters, who were persecuted in the 17th century, for opposing the religious reforms of King Charles I. There also have some Masonic marks on the tabletops, so perhaps it was a gentleman's secret club, meeting place for one or more persecuted religious groups. There are even claims that the passageways may be haunted. Although the cave system is about 10 feet below the surface, it is softly lit by holes to the surface which would also have helped with ventilation. Much remains unexplained, including several holes about 2 inches around set too low down in the gallery walls to hold torches. Gilmerton Cove has become one of Edinburgh's most highly rated tourist attractions since it opened in 2003. Groups of just 12 visitors at a time are allowed in. Extensive archaeological and historical research has failed to resolve the mystery.